Target, label depth 12 meters. Paint it.
Watch the edge, stay behind cones.
Truck 3, go.
Plumb is good, lock the brace. Pump online.
Flow steady, log start time.
Blow count noted, continue.
Add 2 chairs. Maintain cover.
Embed plates aligned, tag them.
Vibrate corners, no honeycomb.
Moist cure maintained. Check hourly.
Seal that joint, no gaps.
Bolt line 2, snug then torque. Facade.
Studs at marks, don't miss spacing. Deck bay complete.
Keep the course straight, string line.
Sequence holds, next lift at 1600.
Offsets match, proceed bracket row. Gasket seated, lock and seal. Mark beacon bases every 3 meters.
Seal every lap, no pinholes. Leave space, DMX trunk goes here.
Channel line true, tighten to spec.
Polarity confirmed. Tag circuit A12.
Bonding good, record the reading.
Uniform wash, no hot spots, hold.
Torque stripe every fastener. Gasket flush, close it now.
Box sealed.
LOTO verified.
Lockout confirmed, energize on my word.
2 degrees down, match the laser.
No voids, tool the bead.
Repeater online, test universe 2.
Tap every connector before lift. Maintain bend radius, no kinks.
Tie off verified, resume work. Bay 14 dim, mark for revisit.
Driver swapped, retest that run.
Timing locked, hold phase at 0. Shield angle down, avoid eye glare.
Uplights align with fin bays.
Keep it flush, no proud edges.
Bollard straight. Match walkway axis.
Trip test passed. Restore power. Balance at 30%, match canopy.
Sign channel mapped.
No dark zones. Log readings.
Rescue kit staged. Confirm radio channel.
Labels clear, photo for records.
No moisture inside. Next bay.
Reduce zone C to 25.
25. Pass. Record peak load reading.
Safe mode confirmed.
Failsafe works. Restore network.
Aim up one notch. Match adjacent bay. Universe 2, channel now matches map.
Diffusion even, close that item. All punch items closed. Prep final clean.
Cleaning pass.
No residue. Keep the fins spotless.
Save config. Store copy in cabinet.
Backup complete.
Clear lenses. No water spots.
All access locked.
Sign off the permit.
Astronomical clock synced. Save schedule.
Uniform across elevations. Hold at 40.
Route clear. Keep guests inside cones.
Certificate signed. Archive the test logs.
All zones ready. Stand by. 3.
Sequence running.
Sequence live. Monitor for flicker.
Temps steady. No alarms. Continue.
Override here. Press and hold to off.
Got safe job.
Check lanyard date. No expired gear.
Seal the kits. Store them on shelf 2.
Ready?
Quiet channel. Capture clean ambience.
Backup holds. Record lux readings.
No visible wiring. Keep it hidden.
Run scene 03. Hold for 5 seconds.
Swap complete. Torque. Seal. Then test.
Curfew set. Lights dim at 2300. Corner hotspot gone. Lock the setting.
If gusts rise, hit E-stop and clear.
Firmware verified. No updates required.
changes, just observe and record.
Compliance met. Lock the cabinet now.
Closeout complete. Retain envelope in safe. Color temp consistent. Close cleaning ticket.
Looks right. Final handover done.
Use presets only, no manual patching.
Seal applied. Keys logged to FM.
Alarm point active, reset and record.
Vantage 2 matches, hold scene steady.
Corner 1, okay.
Tight, align to the mark.
Beacon row complete.
Report exported. Send to owner portal.
All stable, no flicker reports.
Straps tight, clear the sidewalk.
Perimeter safe. Remove final cones.
Uploaded. Save the confirmation.
Press scene locked. No edits allowed.
Searching safe.
Road clear. Reopen lane 1 now.
Rooftop secured, sign out complete.
All done. See you at closeout.
White point matched, close the last fix.
Photos uploaded, log note added.
That's the final look. Lock it in.
Documents archived. Project closed.
Count it twice, nothing left behind.
Preset verified. Access log captured.
Nightly mode engaged. Walk away clean.
Copying crew off-site. Good night.
Record lessons, update the standard.
Hold still. No changes for 10.
Snapshot saved, health looks good.
Site closed. Handover officially complete. Final scene locked. Wrap and archive.
Subscribe, like, and share.